If you want to find and manage sound settings on OnePlus 15, here's what you need to do. First of all, we're gonna jump to settings, and then you should be able to find sound and vibration. In here we can find live caption, which can be easily enabled and disabled by tapping on the switcher, and we have some additional settings in here as well. At the top we have three sound modes: the ring mode, vibrate mode, and the silent mode. When we use the ring mode, we can also enable vibration on ring, and we can adjust the vibration intensity for calls and alarms, as well as messages and notifications. We can also turn off media sounds in silent mode, and we can also find do not disturb settings in here. Next, we have these four volume sliders, so you can adjust the volume for media, ringtone, notification, and alarm. You can also choose the function of volume buttons. So by default, we use volume buttons to change the media volume level, but we can also use it to change the ringtone volume level instead. We can also use app-specific volume, so you can adjust the volume level of specific apps individually. Besides that, we have the ringtone selection, so you can choose a new ringtone for yourself. You can also, of course, choose different ringtones for 2 SIM cards. We have the notification tone, so here we can change the notification sound, and we have more sounds, so you can decide if you want to use or not use these sounds that we have listed over here. For example, the screenshot sound, the touch sound, or the fingerprint animation sound. Then we have the clear voice, which is a feature that allows you to reduce the background noise when you are on a call. We have sound effect settings, where we can find the O reality feature, and over here we have different sound profiles that we can use, and if you actually use something different than the loudspeaker, for example earbuds, then you should be able to switch all reality to something else. We also have the holo audio option, which can be easily enabled and disabled, and over here we have some additional description over here, so you can check that out as well. Haptics, which are of course vibrations, and in here we have system haptics, so if you, for example, don't like touch vibration, then you can turn it off over here. You can also adjust the intensity of these haptics, and you can also choose how touches should feel on this phone. And if we go to more, then over here we have the recording device for camera, which is set to external microphone by default, so if you connect an external microphone to your phone, and then of course this external microphone will be used instead of the microphone on your phone, but you can of course stick with the internal microphone as well. And we can also play ringtone in headphones. So this means that if this option is enabled, your phone can still play ringtone through the loudspeaker even if you use headphones. If you usually have headphones connected, then the ringtone will be played only through headphones. And that is pretty much it. These are all the sound and vibration settings that we have on OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.